Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial video. Today is very important lecture, so don't miss it at all. We have in front of us a CSV file. This file contains reviews about the movies, okay? So we have here the column review, we have here the column sentiments, and here we have the title of the movie, and here we have the genre of the movie. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do specific things. So this is as a whole file. I want just to classify how many positive sentiments and how many negative sentiments I have. Uh, uh, we don't have to worry for now about the title of the title of the movie, but I want just to classify the sentiments for the whole types of movies to know how many positive sentiments in the specific CSV file I have and how many negative sentiments in this CSV file. Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, let's do a new notebook. Okay, so here, guys, we need to start by importing what? Importing an LTK. More than importing an LTK, we need to import pandas library as PD in order not to like create panda every time I want to use it. Okay, guys, so now we're done with the importing part. Let's create another cell. Now, I have first to read the CSV file. How can I read CSV files? Very easy. Using Panda libraries, I can read it with the following way. Now, I'm going to call the data inside the whole the whole CSV file as data. Okay, so now I'm going to read it by the function pd dot read CSV file. So we have here to like write the name of the file. Here I have movie reviews, I guess, and oh, I missed the e dot csv. So now we read with this function the we read with this function the csv file. Now after reading it, let's display it. So by writing just the name of it, we can display it and see it. Wow, this is very um beautiful. We can say it's a beautiful. Yeah, it is. Okay, guys. So now we have the CSV file inside the data. Now we need to just count sentiments. How can I count the sentiments? I have like here the column sentiments. How can I count it? I can count it basically by this function data dot sentiment. I have to write the name of the column here dot value underscore, oh yeah, sorry, value count, and that's it, the function. So let me run it in order to know. Oh, that's so cool. We have a 25,000 negative sentiment, 25,000 positive sentiments. So they are equal. Oh, wow, that's cool. Now, how can I display it as a plot or as a graph? I don't know. You can call it with whatever you want. Let's let me add a new cell. Excuse me. Now I have to group them. Okay, guys, what should I do in this case? Now let's call them like sentiment count. Okay, guys, sentiment count equals to what? I need to the data group it by sentiment. Okay, group by what? Sentiment dot what? I need to count the values. Okay, After counting the values, I need just to let me just print. Let me just print sentiment count in order to see what we have. Okay, so very good. So we have 2000 negative review, 2000 positive review for sure. We have excuse me, 25,000 25,000 movie that has a positive review. I don't know if the movies are different, or we have like sometimes repetition, but I'm just going and trying to do like classification for sentiments, whether you have different type of movies. Just it's guys, just a method in order for you to know how to classify sentiments, or not sentiments, how to classify anything, and how to display the difference between anything. So you can use this method depends on how you need it, or where do you need it. Okay guys, so just this is a kind of reminder in order for you not to write me, oh no, we have different movies, we have similar movies, well, I don't know. I'm just going to do a general method. Okay guys. Okay, so we need to put it as plot. Okay, guys. Okay, so for the plot, I need to do something here. I need to import it. So in order for it to work with me and not have any problem. So let's continue by doing plt dot bar plt dot bar sentiment. Oh, sentiment count أكيد. Sentiment count. Okay. We have dot index. We need the index of it. We dot values. Okay. And dot values. Now we're done. Now I need to spread them among among the review. Okay, guys. So we have here review. Why do I write here review? Because the column here is called review. Yep. So PLT now that X label. By the way, if we can say like PLT, that show it will show us now a plot before proceeding the work. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. So we have like 25,000 positive review, and same for the negative reviews. So that's it. If you want to like right for the x axis and the y axis title, you can by writing here like plt dot x label. It's for example um sentiment review. Okay, sentiment review. Okay, for example, let's see it now. Yeah, we have here sentiment review, and same for the y-axis. We can say plt dot y label. For example, in this case, number of reviews. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this lecture. Goodbye. See you in other lectures.